Do you know that your brain is designed to protect you and not to make you feel happy? Our brain constantly is scanning the environment around for any danger, for any discomfort, relying on experiences we had in the past. It could be bad experiences, or not necessarily it's really bad, but our brain saw it as bad. So by doing this, our brain is trying to find a solution. So we're well prepared in the future. We're well prepared, we're protected. The only issue on the long term, if we don't understand how our brain works, we might end up having overthinking, burnout, stress, anxiety. So what's the definition of anxiety? Anxiety, it's your brain is starting to sense normal things as danger. Why? Because we have been faced an experience before, any bad experience we had, whether it was really, really bad, or as I said, our body, our brain is seeing it as a bad experience. Whether it was, for example, a car accident, losing a loved one, it could be maybe like we went to an interview, we didn't really do very well, we had a mental block, we didn't answer all of the questions, for example, or we didn't get the job, or we didn't pass any exam, or any bad experience we had. Okay, our brain will send a signal to a small gland. It's called adrenal gland. It's a small gland on top of our kidneys. We have two kidneys. On top of that, there's a small gland called adrenal gland. Our brain will send a signal and will tell the adrenal gland, look, this is a dangerous situation we're facing. Please put us at a fight and flight mode. The adrenal gland will produce a hormones of stress, which are adrenaline and the cortisol. Adrenaline will go affect different organs in our body. Cause increased shortness of breath, palpitation, tingling of the hand, mental block, dizziness. Some people experience this as also having chest pain and like as if it's a heart attack. So that's how we react to danger. But why our brain is doing it? Again, because it's trying to protect us, because it's trying to put it as at a fight and flight mode. A lot of studies show that when we imagine bad things, it's actually it's as we're facing a real bad thing. The same chemicals produced when you're facing a really bad, challenging situation, it's the same chemicals in the brain, adrenaline and cortisol, all of the stress hormones, when you're thinking about or overthinking or even remembering a bad experience we had before. As I said, because your body is trying to protect you, is trying to find a solution, is trying to overthink in the future. So you have like a plan, you're well prepared in case bad things happen in the future. I will explain in details in future videos how to understand our brain, the physiology of our body, how to decrease all of the stress hormones, the cortisol, adrenaline, and how to increase the hormones like gratitude, which will help in having in having peace and happiness and joy, such as dopamine and serotonin, and how to understand our body, how to find the coherence between our brain and heart. Please stay tuned.